want to show you a quick modification that you can do on your blue laser machine. So check this out. See how that light comes on? It's a simple modification that you can do on your laser machine so you have light. It makes it a little bit easier to put the phone down and inspect everything when you have a light in there. And the light automatically comes on. All you need to do is have movement inside, like when you open the door, it'll come on. And let me show it to you so you can see. It's basically a strip at the top, and you see that sensor there? That's the sensor that makes the light come on when it senses movement. And it's very easy because it's attached in there with a magnet. So at the bottom of this strip, it's basically magnets, and you can see there's no wire. So you just plug it into a USB connector and it'll last you maybe for months. And then you see how easily it just goes up there. It's just magnetized. So you see, I'll just let it go and it just sticks there. So it is a good modification. It's about $20 something, and they give you 2 of these, so you can still have another one for another project. But it's magnetized in the back, and even on that side too, it's got a magnet. And what I did is I just put it in there, keep it at an angle, and a very nice little modification will give you light whenever you want to work on your laser machine.